day today? I know I haven't seen you for a minute. How you doing? God bless you this evening and your family. May God be with you and your family and so on. Yeah, I know. God bless you too. God bless Jamaica, Toronto, England, Guyana, and Grenada, Antigua, and all those places. Staten Island, I love you. Also, pick up yourself, Europe. I heard you can smoke yourself to death over there. And that's where people talk about this stuff go missing in Europe and all this bag of bullshit. And, good big up everywhere else. I didn't call a name. Just pick up your own self. But it come to mind, they're complaining that they've been to Europe, and how much, their stuff was missing. I mean, think about it. You go to Europe and weed is legal, right? And all these people sit around and smoking all different kind of weed, chocolate, mint, all kinds, okay? Some of them don't even bother want to go to work. And it's so many just hanging out, just smoking. What do you expect? You expect your stuff just going to lay out and people need stuff that they're not going to go get because they're high and it's rightly available for them? They're going to take it because they're not moving. Most of those weed got you stuck. When you smoke them, you can't do nothing else. I heard you could just walk in Europe, you could just walk into a coffee shop and order whatever smoke you need. So imagine everybody over there is high as hell. Imagine you walk in a place like that and you used to live in a place like this, all these people and everything else. And you get to a place where everybody's like quiet and shit. You just smoke everywhere, Some of them is sleeping. Who is not sleeping, lie out on the grass and the mat. I just imagine Europe. From they talk about it's legal and it's everywhere, I can imagine it. Everybody got a mat, they're laying out all overnight, days and days. Especially summertime, they ain't going inside unless no winter biting them. Because it's summer, they're going to smoke the whole damn summer right by the street side. The time they get up is to use the bathroom and to sit back down. So if you go to Europe with your stuff and you're saying your stuff missing, don't blame nobody but yourself. Because everybody there is high. Maybe somebody even take it up and don't even need it, but they just don't realize they take it up because they high. You know what I mean? Everybody having a good time. You can't blame nobody for your mistake now. Come on. Big up yourself, Europe, and big up in the house. I make sure when I come over there, man, I tell you, boy, when I get there, I'm a party with y'all, boy. I tell you, boy. Next thing I hang, I'm walking around and my dress is going off my body and my drawers and everything. Probably I wouldn't even notice because the weed is probably good over there. But anyway, pick up yourself. I love you. And we want to talk about love. And we want to talk about relationship. And we want to talk about, all these things in our life. Not many times I talk about things, but sometimes I get to a point that I need to talk about some stuff. Not playing around. Like sometimes I play around and sometimes I really get serious to talk about love and relationship. Now, what I want to talk about love. Love is a funny thing, love is a funny thing, right? Because sometimes you meet somebody and you don't even like them, like, man, he's not my type. And later on you end up with the person, like, oh, I end up with him, man. Why? I knew something was messed up about this nigga from the beginning. Why did I even go into it? You know what I mean? I knew it from the beginning. I get that feeling, man. And now look what happened, But the whole thing about being in a relationship is love is very important. If you don't love each other, it doesn't make no sense to be in a relationship. I'm telling you, especially at this moment where everything is changing and God is going to come for his world. The world cannot continue running the way it's running. It's not the way it's running. It can't continue running under man law. So God is going to have to come. I'm sorry, people who don't want to see Jesus. I'm sorry for you, but he's going to have to come. So the best thing to do is to find someone that you love and somebody that you want to be with and trying to have that relationship and work things out. You don't have to be rich to have a good relationship because money doesn't make you comfortable, but money doesn't make you rich. You see what I mean? What makes you rich is knowing the glory of God and want to live clean, want to have your life clean, want to enjoy the earthly time because you don't know when you're going to go. So you want to make your time clear. When you've got to go to, you got to go to. But you also want to enjoy your earthly time down here. So you find somebody you really love. We like the things that they can do, everything and put together. And try to get together with the person and try to get married, get into and stay in a relationship. Don't go in a relationship that you're going to tell the person that you love them but you don't, and then you see somebody else that you attractive to, and then you go and start sleeping with the person, and then coming back home to the woman, sleeping with the woman, and tell the woman about a lie about a friend and all these kind of things, you know, and then you want to sleep with a person. Now, when you start going out of your house and you start cheating the next woman, and a woman live with you for years, she haven't been protecting herself because she live with you, everything was good, and she live with you, she don't expect nothing, so you know, wanna go on a bed. So now when you start go to the road and start sleep out, start have an attitude and come in to that woman, and the woman trying her best because she love you. You understand the relationship? I tell you, go two sides to go to. Now worry yourself. Because she love you. Or because he love you. Right? Trying the best to hold on. But sometimes, by the time you start go out there, you know, it come like you just kill the vibes of everything. You know what I say? The vibes just kill. The vibes just get dead because more time you sit down and you say, boy, I don't know if you do the way you do your mouth over there, so. I don't know where you do your body over there, so. So now I can't trust you no more. Now you have to start put on stuff. You can't just do stuff no more like that no more because how you be. You're riding your relationship, you're mashing up a relationship. So before you put yourself with somebody, make sure you really love the person and want to be with them. Just to know the person first. Just don't jump with somebody because you have feelings for them because they look pretty as garden too. Look how pretty are killing you know. How pretty are killing you. Why the girl look good shape up, the girl pretty. And that alone, you don't see the outside, you don't see the inside. You don't see the godly side. And you see Satan and they about the place rampant. You don't see if you find somebody second. You don't call me mad, no call me mad, you know. Because at the end of the day, I'm happy with myself. I have my sanity. That me will go the right road and not go the wrong road to teach my own self. And that's the best gift me can get from God knowledge. That's the most me can get, and me thank God feet. You understand? Me thank God feet. The simple fact that to all the world around right now, if you now look to God, you are going to shag. Simple. It must come to an end. Right? People always talk about numbers and devil number and this and that and all kind of something because they don't know the bottom of the whole story. But it will be time in life will come, then you're going to be prosecuted if you're willing to get the neck chop off because you believe in a God, then I say you have to get the neck chop off. Are you willing? Because the other day when the neck chop off, you know, and you're gone, you live again for God, you know. The body gone, but you live again for eternity. Because what you stand for. So when I try to say, get somebody in your life that you really want to be in your life. Take your time to know the person and stop this up and down, this up and down, this up and down, round the corner. And some of these women work hard. When I say they work hard, you know, Papa. They work hard for their money. And sometimes these men, they come in your life and to destroy you because you allow them to. Right? You talk about you in love. But if they're in love with you like you in love with him. And sometimes these women don't even know who they're in love with. I am going to tell you this. Many women get up out of them bed 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Are working at some good job. Making a little money and hustle. Some of these women are fake women. Some of the women they might not have the shape up and this and that, you know. But they still women. God make everybody who they want to make them. But the messed up thing is about as a woman in yourself. You can't feel that frustrated because you don't have somebody in your life and you don't have faith. If you say, well, God I go send somebody good. You don't go on these websites and you come on Facebook. And what you do, move around. And what you do, when you come on Facebook and all them something, this damn fly them. You know them scary. You have summertime. Make it hard to get rid of them. You understand me? So, me buy the mango, open the mango, them spoil. Around 6, 7 of them. Me mad say, man. Maybe come here to get hot sometimes, the AC not on. You understand me? But when I basically say, you can't live a life a certain way. Because when you go on these websites, when you go on Facebook, and a man go and take a picture of a model, of an ex-man, and send it to you, start to write you and tell you how much he in love with you. When man start to write up on Facebook and write up on their website, them watch where you are first, my girl. Yes, you make them make sure say you have the money first before they tackle you for love you and tell how much you in love with you, you know. So nobody think the man not go tell you say you in love with you just so. You could have ugly like a mullet fowl. He love you. You have a good car, you have a house, and someone run them out as you meet man. And the man look good, when they get frightened because they believe in a God, I see it and no serve. When you can't take on the time, you hustle yourself more than the man, I hustle, you know. I hustle forget the man more than the man, I hustle forget, you know. Take on the time now. Take on the time. You understand me? Because when you do them something and a hustler man, and think, first thing the man, when you see that picture, tell you say, I'm in love with you. You look nice. When you got big, like a tree pumpkin in a one. You know what I mean? And you look like you just swallow somebody like an alligator. You not tell you that. Like when alligator swallow somebody, they not tell you that. You could have ugly like a pato, ow, pow. They not tell you that, man. You know, so my girl is really ugly and I can't deal with you. Or something. You know, them not tell you that. Them going to tell us you look nice, mama. And you yourself looking at the mirror and know, so you don't look like what the man I tell you. But you're damn fool and know, so your money after. And you go along with it. Yes, me look nice. I start dress up more now, man, get in your head. Because come on Facebook, you dress up more now. All kind of piece of sitting up here. Show off and carry on and put up art and love and sitting. That you never meet man yet. That time the man take a model picture and somebody you don't know from the cross over the world. Because so much people, millions and trillions of people on earth. Yeah. You can go anywhere and go get a picture and take a picture of a person. You can run a video up on YouTube and take a picture of it. All the African movie, they want to get a picture of them. And you don't know. I'll send it to you. And you talk to them and start calling every day. Baby, how you doing? You know I'm busy over here working and thing, man. I will get the video calling time. Don't worry about it. I love you. I couldn't sleep last night, darling. Hello? Yes, baby? Oh, darling. I couldn't sleep last night. I think about your beauty. Your beauty is so astonished. You're so beautiful. I couldn't sleep at all. I am just thinking about you, my baby. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait for us to meet. I am telling you, you are my dream lady. You are my soulmate. There's no one else like you. I am telling you, I've been to so much places, traveled the world. I tell you, I travel. I have a big business. Now one in Abuja, one in China. I have big business. Yeah, in Abuja now. Yeah. You're my sister. Yeah, I you know, I'm not rich, but you know, I can live comfortable, my sister. You know, I'm not rich, you know, but I love you. You are nice, pretty, love you, very pretty lady. I think you're the prettiest lady I ever come across. No lie. Prettiest lady I ever come across. You're so beautiful. It's like if I could just eat you like some kind of food. I can't believe my eyes when I see you. I say this is love at first sight. Baby, I need you. Okay? I know. You take your shoes off, I will rub your feet for you. I will massage every one of your, all the way from your big toe to your small toe for you. Yeah. I will do all that for you, baby. Soon when I see you, I will call you, okay? Tomorrow, okay? I love you. I don't sleep last night. I think about you all night. I couldn't sleep. I want to call you again, but I don't want to be a bother to you. So that's why I didn't call you again. Oh. But I didn't sleep, my sister. Okay, I call you. Okay, I call you in the morning. Morning come, no answer. But wait, something say no come, no answer. 2 days gone, 3 days gone. Phone a ring. Hello? Hi, baby. I miss you so much. Oh my God, I've been calling you. I thought something was wrong. I don't get answer. What happened, baby? Oh no. What? Oh no. So where are you now? In the hospital? Oh my God, are you gonna be okay? You have to do surgery now? Oh my God. You gonna call me back 5 minutes? Doctor taking care of you? Okay, hold on. Okay then. Oh my God, he been in an accident. He said they have to operate on his leg and his arm. Oh my God. This is... Hello? Yes, baby? I love you so much, baby. Yes. I love you so much. I don't understand why this happened. Oh my God. You keep saying, oh no. And you were supposed to go to China? Oh my God. And oh no. You in problem now? Oh, you can't get to the bank to get the money. Oh, you need the money for the hospital for the surgery. How many now? Just 15,000 US for now? Baby, I know you love me, baby. I know. You don't have to say you love me, no. Oh, baby, stop it. You don't have to say it. I will send you the money in the morning. First thing in the morning. No. You say you love me so much you don't want to die, leave me. Baby, you ain't going to die, leave me. Don't worry. I send you the money in the morning. Cash? Okay, I do cash. So who do I send this money to? Oh, your friend is going to come and pick it for you. Okay, baby, I love you. I send the 15,000 for you in the morning. No problem, baby. I love you. Hello? What y'all doing over there, girl? Girl, my boyfriend, he just called me. And girl, I tell you that he loved me, girl. I was telling you today I didn't hear from him for a couple of days. He been in an accident, girl. He's in the hospital. All messed up, but you know, he's a rich guy, he got money, you know, so, but he just can't get to the bank. So tomorrow I have to get some money. 15,000. Oh yeah, I'm sure about this girl. He says as soon as he get out, he able to get his strength, he's going to go to the bank and I'm going to have it back. He love me. He's going to come to America. He's going to live with me. Trust me, we good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? All right. Hello? Baby, did you get the money? Fantastic. Okay, that's good. That's good, baby. That's good. I love you so much. So what the doctor saying? You have to do another operation? Oh, no. Where? And your back, you won't perform to making love if you don't fix it. The doctor say you won't stand up anymore if you don't fix the back. Baby. And that one is 20,000? No, baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Baby, don't cry. I won't be stand up anymore. Oh, please help me. I got to get this money. I won't able to do anything when I come to America. I love you so much. I have to have the baby with you. I love you so much. Please, I love you. You're my wife now. All my family love you. My cousin say hello. My sister, my mother, my father, my auntie. Everybody say hello. I love you, baby. Baby, I'm telling you. I just want able to walk and get out of here and come to you. Baby, I love you. Okay? I love you, darling. I love you. I love you, baby. I tell God this time I just want to get out and make it to you. I love you, baby. So, you know, you have to send the money early tomorrow, okay? Make sure you do it early like yesterday. Okay, baby, do it early so I could get early treatment so I could feel better to get out of here. I have to get early treatment, baby. Hurry, you know, the doctor, they come early in the morning. I want to make sure my bill pay. I have to fix my back, else I won't be able to stand up. I won't do nothing. I won't be able to do anything when I get there. Okay. I send it for you. Shirley. Damn, man, I'm going broke. Yeah, this guy. Who was talking about me? Oh, Sonia? Oh, so me can't wear a good hairstyle but me a mind man? Eh? So you can't wear a good hairstyle and a good dress or a good boot, but you're mine, man. No, 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 no. You see, you get it wrong now. Hello, you get it wrong now. I'm my husband that. You see me? I'm my husband that's an overseas long distance relationship, but me and him good. Alright. Me name but I want to talk to you right now later. Cause I like people tell me to live my life. Later, bye. Hello, baby. I love you. Yes. You got the money? Oh, so you're going to search it tomorrow for your back? Okay, baby. I love you so much. I love you so much, baby. How is America now? Is it cold, icy cold, or warm? What is it in America now? Because I want to come soon. I have to be with you, my love. My heart hurt. My heart pain me. My chest pain. Like I'm getting heart attack. I think about your love. You see, you're the only love that understand me, baby. You're the only love that's there for me. You're the only one that I feel sometimes no other woman ever loved me like you. And that's why, baby, when I come, I tell you I get out of this hospital and I come to see you, I'm going to give you a real diamond for your finger. Real diamond you're going to get. Baby, I love you. So how long for the hospital? They said I have to stay till 1 more week before I would be able to see if they could let me out. And, you know, it's not a problem, baby. Okay, baby, the doctor is coming now because they just went to check on my niece. My niece was in the car, and when I have accident, my niece was damaged. So she's on the 2nd floor. So let me call you back when the doctor they go. Damn. So that's already 35,000. Yeah, that's already 35,000. 15,000, 20, that's already 35,000. And I could use that money to go to the doctor, suck the fat out my gut, and put it in my ass. I also could pump up my chest. So why am I giving this guy all my money before I spend it on myself? Hello, baby. Yes, I love you. What you saying? Oh, no. What? $30,000? Else she's gonna die. You don't want your niece to die? Oh, baby, I don't have this money. Try and borrow it if I don't have it, babe. Babe, all I have left in my bank account is 15,000. Send this one and borrow the rest. Send it and borrow the rest. Hey, babe. Okay, babe. I'll send it, the last one I have tomorrow. And try to come up with the rest. I'll call you back later. Okay. Something right with this. Hello? What one, Patsy? Listen now. One little thing I go on and I don't understand it. You see me? I have one friend and she live over Europe, and I go send her our address. We go find one people. You see me? Hold on. Hello? Sandra? One mama? You can go to Mad City Hospital for me? Go. Then oversee you live with my man. They say, well, my boy, when me say me, I with you, I say my husband. Him say him live and that not far from where you live, not true. Go down to the hospital and go check out and see if you can find him for me. Go down there to the hospital and check out mama. I know a long distance, but you alone have other side. He said I don't want hospital, but one time that tell me say that the same hospital they admit in one time. So you must know the hospital. Go down there and see if you can find up a ward in the first floor. And he said he's up on the 2nd floor. And here Aldo Williams. Mama something alright. I don't send the man around $50,000 already. I'm so in love with him. He said, come to America. Mama, he want more and more money, so don't for helping this. I feel like something alright. You did just drive past the hospital a while ago? So you can't turn back around and go up there? Turn back around and go up there, man. Please, Mama, you go and say, don't know me, I said, Robin's going to give you. Turn back and go up there, man. Alright, go on, now hold on. Hello, Williams. Said nobody in the hospital by that name. No, man, go check in, go inside and see, man. Something not right with that, man. My baby inside. Who is the security? There's no file with nobody under that name. There's nobody by that name. All right, let me try reaching because something not right. Hello? I phone ring, nobody now answer so. Hello? Hello? Watch your phone ring till it hang up. Not a soul now answer. No, sir. I joke, this my baby love me. Hello? Phone cut off again. You know, see, I rob the boy, just rob up all my money. Jesus God. That's a thing you must learn. Don't jump on internet and jump to every man you want to see. And then tell no sweet word like that. And by the time you know done, the whole of the money gone. You see, that is what I was playing out. So you could understand who don't understand me talk. Me not understand them big old stretch out short hole. Me not understand. Me not understand. So if you don't understand what you do over here, what are you doing here if you don't have no intellectual intelligence? You don't have no intellectual intelligence. What are you doing here, ma'am? Why you come to pest me? Why you come to vex me? Love is the key. You love your woman, you love your man. You don't cook together, you don't eat together, you don't sandwich your body together, you don't alright. Stop walking around and cheat because when you cheat, you mess up the feeling. Everybody has scan everybody. Everybody have put on plastic and gloves. All kind of gloves, some surround wrap them whole entire body. Some people surround wrap their whole body in the missus. All the way up to their neck. Stop running around and just circle with your woman, treat her nice. You have some man, you see, because them make a little money. I mean, I hate man, you know. He just always fall for them because what they do me. And me love me all about them, the good one them. Right? But you have some man that make a little money. And boy, who tell them to go make a little money and then live with them in the house. Like they get used to you and they come in that attitude every day. Every day they come from where they go and extend up in the pan them. Fly through the door. A broke style, especially upon payday when they get the money. But they say fair, they put on their clothes and then go on the road, go and drink rum, waste out their money, and damn you know. You know, once they get paid, you know, them whole attitude stink bread up on Friday evening. Eh? They go take out their shot. When they wear dirty with the arm, I grease up on the neck, I black when they need wash, and you wash your hang up in the closet. You make you take out and press it up with iron and put on it like a done gargon. Put on pants and a dress up. Take all the little money you work for the whole week. Pack it inside your wallet and shove in your back pocket. If you go buy beer at hang out spot and open your wallet, make careless girl see. You know? We want to count, you know? Figure them $2 and $2 Eh? You know how waste of time. You can't catch my eye with not a dollar. Neither sugar daddy, nor sugar father, nor sugar sister, nor sugar baby. Or sugar mama. None of them can catch me. Because some of them want to take me and too, you know. And want me to come, want them to be sugar mommy for me, you know. And me say, no, me not the sugar mommy thing, and me not the sugar daddy thing. Me too old for them sin thing there, you know. Yes, man. You have to speak the truth when concerned, you know. Yeah, yes, man. Oh, the thing is straight. Oh, gosh. The phone is straight. Yeah, we're concerned, you know. We're concerned. So, you know, I like beautiful things. And this is the first time I'm wearing this one. And it's quite gorgeous. Like, you know, I buy it in Asp Point, in Queens. I like beautiful things. You know, it's good material. It's not a cheap, you know, strong, good material. It's not like a cheap, stretchy material sitting there. It's not cheap. Okay? So, Yeah, once I start working out, I always look different. Once I start working out, you always tell that Oliver start working out again. That's the thing in my body. Once I start working out, everything start go right back in. But once we stop work out, everything just going right back to bad. Like it take time and walk back ways and go right back where it come from. But soon as I start work out again, everything start firm up. And my hand them I can see it's still wrinkled long, but some, you know. Yeah, man. But you love yourself too. It's all about love. Love yourself too. You can't love yourself and worry about other people for love. You love yourself. Me love myself. Me make myself happy every day. Me entertain myself. Me look at some of my own video and I laugh till me cry tears. Sometimes I watch my own video till it done. Me laugh so till. You know, me love people too. And you know another thing me notice, some people they not have no love. No love at all. Like some big crutches girl will call my phone. And then call my phone and they order cream, soap and all them stuff that they don't even need. Because they just want to harass me. You know? They call with all kind of nasty and all kind of thing. And one girl, she keep calling, so I mark the number. And she said she want it. And I bring the phone to the gentleman. If you pay for her stuff, she hang up on me. And she do it over and over. This time she called me with him. I say, woman, how you call? I'm in front you want? I said, no, man, I'm in front you want. I can't call and harass me and stop. I'm in front you want. So, sometimes they don't come on Facebook and say, people, Alibet, nobody now call me to buy cream from me. I'm rude to them. I must somebody call screwing around. I'm set up to deal with them. I'm deal with them. Then they run come back on Facebook about, oh, she not no manners with our business and whatever. Me have manners. Everybody know that. But uno crooked crotch bitches, me know how uno stay. And when uno call me, and I tell me how this somehow, me know so no need nothing. Uno call because uno lonely. Uno call because uno just miserable. Uno call because uno bad mind. Uno call because uno eat because no one nothing, you know. Imagine you take your precious time, you really work for the devil, boy. You really work for the devil. If you take your precious time, if you call me, and you don't want nothing, if you make hard and you don't want nothing. But guess what? I'm still winning because even when you don't hate me, you don't love me, you still have to be here. You still have to. Look at the 8 ones you're pressing button, just wasting their life away. While I'm looking fabulous, I'm eating good, and I'm enjoying life, and I'm certainly not broke. Hello, somebody. At the end of the day, that's all matters. How your heart stay with God, or your heart stay with people, and we don't have to out there do. We don't have to out there putting on your throat, and all this nasty stuff. You don't have to deal with that. Once you don't have to deal with that, you don't give a damn who hate you. Long as you know so your conscience that your throat is clean. You can clear your throat, girl. You understand? You don't care who hate you. Because some people just hate you. The simple fact that because they cannot be like you. Right? A person cannot be like you, so them hate you for no purpose, for no reason at all. You haven't do anybody anything, but they just hate you. Right? Until the light go out. Huh? Yeah, I was like, I know. Yeah, you know, it doesn't matter when somebody hates me. It just made me see that I'm doing well. It made me keep going on. I'm not the person I used to be anymore. It doesn't define me at all because I believe in God. And to what the world is going to expect you to hate me if the devil is filling you up. I expect that from you if you're eating the same shit you're eating every day in burgers. I expect you to hate me. I don't expect you to love me if you can't love yourself. And if you can't believe in yourself like I can believe in myself to the ice. I have faith. I got back. Trust me, my back going strong. All them try to run me off every day, I'm still there, see, man. I can't sit down and press 8, I'm still coming and do my thing and gone. And every month, I still get my money, I'm still on the same way. It doesn't make a difference. So at the end of the day, they're just wasting the time away like a stupid person. You know, if somebody want to log on, they're making it make more views. You know, one day you're going to reach somewhere more than where you are, you know, and you just come to spread love. It's not all the time you're going to come in here and be stupid and be foolish. Sometimes I do it because I'm a comedian. But sometimes I speak the truth. We're concerned like bad mind don't define me. You know, if a bitch says she's pretty and she looks good and she's whatever, how come she have to have time to be on my line when she's supposed to run in her life? She's been doing her stuff, making people happy too like I'm doing. She don't have time for that. She have time to come on my stuff, to come and beat me down because she's bad-minded. She's hateful. She can't be as brave as I am. So this bitch got something that I don't. Okay? God make her the way she is. She ain't got no nose job or anything. You know? Let me beat her down, you know? But y'all are beating everybody down. Y'all still got your lashes on. You still got your contour makeup on, baby girl. With a whole pound, a half pound, 2 pound of makeup on it, caked on. Y'all can beat nobody down. What I'm portraying, I'm saying here is love. What I'm preaching is love. Love your partner and love yourself and stop running around with these people with no lives. That's going to give you HIV and give you shit and don't give a damn about you. Find somebody who love it. They don't have to be rich. Long as you all could put together and live, find a place where you can keep it clean and buy the food like every day and serve God. That is more important than be rich and have everything in life and don't have God. Because at the end of the day, you look stupid. The end of the day, you look like you ain't got no goddamn brain. When I see people want to bring me down and walk outside and I see certain things up the street, I'll smile. I thank God for my knowledge that He gave to me. I thank God I know wrong from right. I thank God. Trust me. Because the way the world is going now, if you don't know wrong from right, you're just going to be a big stupid ass out there. Because the devil is rampant and the devil go in people and actually take them over, you know, and let them do stuff. And you know that. So when people coming at me, I don't feel bad for them. You know, I don't feel bad for me. I feel bad for them because simple fact that they are possessed by the demons. They want the Holy Spirit to touch them. It's because you can be a sinner and be touched by the Holy Spirit. Yes, you can be born again in the Holy Spirit. If you believe in God and you truly believe in God and know that everything on earth here is just all of man-made and all these pretty things and all these things. But it's not something you should take to heart. Just go through the world, come and try to live the best you can, eat as you can, relax, and just go through the world peacefully till when it's your time come. Spread how much love, leave things behind that people can watch even when you died, like a video like I'm doing, something positive. Something that someone could look at and say, well, you know, maybe she was a baby. See, I know this lady when I was a baby, you know. When a woman get big, maybe I'm not alive no more. But they're going to say, I know her a long time when I was a baby. This lady on Facebook, you know, make people laugh. It's about that because you're going to come, you're going to have to leave. You want to leave something behind, it's up to you. But the time you take to curse me and to belittle me for leaving my footprints behind, you need to go and make your own. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to live right. I'm going to live in society like God wants me to live. And God don't want me to go out there from boyfriend to boyfriend, man to man, cut me up all over the place. That's not how I'm supposed to live. That's why God brought me so far and brought me to this so I can testify all my life was, how hard it was, and things of this world, how it would get you. The end of the day would end up in nothing. I've been in so much different magazine. The end of the day, I end up still poor, didn't have anything. Okay? Because what the devil gives to you will surely take it away. But what God gives to you is only going to multiply. It must multiply. It will multiply. Your faith will make it multiply right in front of your eyes. So you don't have to be a sinner and be a stupid sinner. You can be a sinner, but a wise sinner. A sinner with knowledge and the power from the Holy Spirit to make you speak even when you can't speak. Even when you can't pronounce the word, they're going to let you pronounce the word. Because when God sent a message, He sent a message. Things of this world is just made by a man that got to die like me and you. Man that trying to create, trying to be God and trying to make things and try to be like God. Man that try to go up in the sky and try to go to the moon and all these places and trying to see how the earth was built. But there's only one creator and there's only one God that you and I should believe in. And it's to live right and to give love. Because the love you have, no matter how a person hates you, if you love them, trust me, it's only love you can give them when they hate you. Because the only thing will last is love and eternal life. Not through hate, but through love. Because God is all of love. Yes, let the sinner tell you something. All right? So when you all come in here and decide you want to bring me down, it's because I'm sorry for y'all. I'm pity for y'all. Because what I'm good today, what I'm bad today, is not for you to judge me. Make God be the judge of me and make God be the judge of you. If I come on here and act silly sometimes, making people laugh and all this craziness, I'm just acting out my personality. It's okay to be myself and to be real. I don't think I should be judged because many of you, if you should show your personality and all you are, maybe the whole world would shock more than looking at me. So just let me live in God's world, or God put me, not because I'm not eating with knife and fork like it's set for me to eat with. Not because I'm taking up a glass every time and putting my head to drink instead of a bottle, because I was supposed to use a glass. I was supposed to this, and I was supposed to that, and I supposed to look this way, and I supposed to that. That's because y'all could never satisfy with the real deal, because y'all don't live upon the vanity of this world. Y'all don't live your life beyond this world. But you have to live your life in this world and behind this world while you're still living. Okay? Your spirit is living in two worlds. When you go to sleep, you go to the other world. When you come back in, so you're living in between worlds right now. Until one day come, you'll be gone to the other world and you just won't be here no more. Because when you're sleeping, your eyes is closed. You can't see nothing. You can come out your bed and dream and travel all the damn places and see all these places. That's who you are. And your body lying in your bed sleeping like you're dead when you're dreaming. And it's out and it's gone. If it doesn't come back, then you're dead in your bed. Okay? So therefore and then, I have to love God. God give us life. He give us, we can get forgiveness of our sins and all these things. Right? I'm a sinner, but I believe in God. And nobody going to stop me from doing that. Because I cannot believe in anything else. What else could I go and to believe in if it's not God? You can tell me. Everything, I've been drinking alcohol almost killed me. Drugs, all kind of stuff. I made it through. And I don't go to clubs. I don't drink alcohol. Like I said, I don't mix with people. I don't do all these things. A bag of people around me. I'm always in a quiet place where I can pray, where I can talk to God, and I can be myself. That's why I want you to love each other and find somebody you want to be with, so you can pray together every night and live in a life simple. And make God bless you and protect you. You understand me? I'm not going to come in here all the time and tell you whatever you really need to hear. But the fact is, in your relationship, you cannot sleep in with a woman and running outside sleeping with other women and coming back to that woman and that woman knows you that you do. And it should be okay because you got money or because you're good looking. Your good looks doesn't mean anything. Your good look is trash. Because the end of the day, you're going to die and we all going to go down the same place. Whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whether you're ugly, whether you're pretty. We all is going to go back to the dust one day. So what I'm saying is show love. Show some love. Love your partner. Love your family as much as you can. Who you can't do, left them alone like I do. Because I can't fight with them. I can't make nobody eat. I can't deal with somebody who eat me. I want to war me. I rather just walk away, but I not cost nobody. I walk away. I do already and it done, and I just walk away. I'm not going to continue with it because I can't continue to go back. It's like I'm just stirring up fire every time by trying to do good. But I pray and I live my life and I ask God to help me and guide me as I go along. Right? So find the person you love in your life and be with that person. Stop going in between women. It's bad spirit you're picking up. You're damaging your life. You can live longer with a woman that you love than being with 2, 3, 4 women. You're not going to live long. When you start spread your body around it and pick up bad spirit, you're not going to live long, hombre. You drive your car just like that, just crash and dead. Nobody don't know why. All them woman where you sleep with. There's a lot of things in these things that you all don't know. But I'm telling you, find the person you love and stick with the person alone. Cook together, enjoy the food and pray. And a nice thing that cook together and stick together. A nice thing that me I tell you. You understand me? Because not more than when you can be your woman certain way, you don't have to worry and stress. You understand me? And that's the best thing. Because you can't make no love if you have to worry and stress. And I put on gloves and all and sitting there and I kill out yourself. You know, you have to go look more if they've done. And you know what I mean? Just get somebody you want to be with. Make sure the person get the test to do your stuff. Make sure the person you want to be with. And make sure the person is a good person. And a person you can pick up, you can cheat, no woman on the door. Because some of these women here are wild. Because they see man with money and they love money. But money lead that very fast and very quick. Because some of these women, them love money. And they see one man with money, them head get light, them ready to take him. Before they take a man broke, then I go take a man broke. When run for the man who have money, because they love money. But you see, money is just a piece of paper. Your soul is more important. And how you live. And in the long term, money man, them when they give you money, then treat you like dog. Then don't treat you good. Them don't treat you nice. And treat you nice at first, and I spend the money, but they want to use your body like an animal, any position and anything they want, and this and that and all them something. You don't have time for that, you're a scavenger. Say, bet you take a little man, we're going to love you. 40 years down the line, I and him still there. 50 years down the line, I and him still there, make God bless you. Remember me tell you, because the money man, they have money, them always run up and with different women. No matter how you look good, they will go through to you, and still go to a next woman and go to a next woman. Because as long as woman, they want to pick them up and they have money, and then put on them grills and them car and what they want to do. And then woman them feel like, oh yeah, he's hot. Maybe go to him because something I go and feel. It's all about money. But the end of the day, it's not all about money for us who love God. Because the days that we live in now is some serious days. And the Father God, we can't stand the wrath of God, you know. No, we can't stand it. I hear them sitting there, man. And I catch from the skin, man. Sure. I'm going to everybody forget the fly sticker and I forget it. Box of mango them. Put them in the fridge because them are spoiled. But the jam sitting up on my skin, I like feel it. You know what I mean? So the end of the day is the light, it kind of dark. I know. The end of the day is goody. You cherish your money with your money, your man cherish you as a woman. Cherish you. And I run up and down out of the way with no girl and go party. If you go pick up one a tight up sitting on them body, all them things not happen again. Them sitting there all sitting. Sometimes nowadays you don't see a woman walk down the street and she want to go tight shorts up on her body and thing like a piece of shirt. Nowadays you don't see them even look too right again like one time. You know, it's like you're out of style. He gone. He gone. You know? He out of style because you never wear no stocking or wear nothing with it. Just have your skin alone. He gone. He's sitting in a style no more. Now one time sitting in them like a careless girl sitting in the man. When I wear shorts right now, if you make it classy, you have to wear stocking. Wear stocking and wear like a thing and make it look nice, you know? Make it look cute, like a little style. The whole your skin outside, all the body all out of the one and is sitting just naked so your skin out of the door. Every man come say hey. Every man come say hey. You know, like when I go tough skin girl call me today. But you want a cream. I know she don't want a cream because I know advice. She's run all about with all kind of man. Tough girl now run all kind of man. I say, yo, that woman is really something else. Could them talk about that one come pay me to let me know for them business. Eh? I wonder what the pity father now. I wonder who. I will breed she. But they must get big now. Yeah, man. I know them, I tell us, I know them. Why is something really hot, boy? Everybody talk about the eat. Everybody talk about the eat. Oh. Hot, man. Hot. And the AC. They pull the AC all the way in. Like all the way in, because it's kind of weird to me like water in my AC. I say, oh, it sounds like water in my AC, so the AC not supposed to feel like you full up of water in the AC, man. That don't sound right at all. You know? So I realized the last time I have the AC out, you know, it's supposed to be out on the back. The person will live on the next floor. One time I up there fight and all kind of stuff, I don't know. Sound like some problem and some trouble making somebody are crazy, like push furniture and dig up all the wall and I'm sitting there. So I realized water run from that AC I drip down in a mine. So I pull it in, open at the window and pull the AC some in, you know. So that when it come down that wouldn't happen. To my surprise that the person pulled for them AC into and pull it way in. So I saw me like water, I like more water run on my AC again. So today again now, I have to go and take out the AC of the window and pull it way in more now. So some part of the part you're not supposed to inside, in pipe, but it's part of outside still because that is crazy. You have water drip right in my AC. And I move it already and I can pull it exactly. You know, to make sure the water, so every time water full up in night. If you move it and put it in some more. You know, people do all kind of crazy things, man. You know, this world today, all kind of crazy on and all. Watch out. You have the curtain, don't have to guts enough for the curtain. I mean, I like it so hot enough because all winter time I open up the window. You want to know what I'm putting on a fan in winter. I don't know that. I like it when it's cold. Put on the AC there now, but the curtain is still curtain was still up. You know, I saw a man right as I look through the window. I saw a big fat man come and big belly. And the man come and pull out his stuff and big piece of sitting in the hand. And then in people right there so and then in Mickey strap it back in and then walk around the road. I see him, you know, through the thing, but he never see me, but I see him. And them look muscular, I don't. If you lift in the weights, and them look muscular like. I like when I exercise, make me feel good. Feel nice, you know. It's too sexy for my clothes. Too sexy for my body hot. Look at my body hot here. Lord Jesus, but this is me young. Come my body hot. My body really hot in a girl. Body hot, do all of it. I'm alright for it after your body so hot, baby. Look at you're beautiful. Look at your body hot, all of it. Oh, girl, your body look good. You're a big woman. Hey. It's some girl who want to contact me down my page for. They want to be a superstar, but I am the superstar, but yeah. They want the body top, but they don't want a plastic breast on them chest and them don't want. You can't afford it. Don't say you don't want it, girl. Say you cannot afford it, honey. Because you got a doctor once you want it. Remember, say you got a doctor for you and sitting there everybody see, you know. So don't cost nobody about them plastic chicks because you can't afford it. You cannot afford it, so just leave it alone. You wish you have this body. That's what you wish, honey. This body that take you far. Boy. Boy, Bobs. The body will take you far, gully Bob. And when the box, when the gully Bob. Boy, when me gully, me say when me gully Bob hot and gully no flop. Gully, where they say? When the gully Bob. So they say you live a gully, but you will band it up. I wanted them, want to stop that. Oh, big it up, get the gully Bob. See the girls are you round at the back, round and tight, and you're tight like a. Tell your body tight and you hard like a rock. I wanted them. You're fast like when berry is a cheese get rat. Oh, see the box. I want to gully back, me not hear nothing from back. But me, I want you fan them. You know you talked to me the last time. But you can't stop from calling me. Pick up your gully Bob. Now if you're out of the spotlight, yeah, baby. I you say if you come in, and rock on come in on the scene. Oh, me at the gully queen. Yo. Pick up the gully queen and the gully owner of Jamaica. And I go on a fashion and style because I said just I can't go on the gully queen them. I like it too. Anyways, who don't like it, come on bite it. Who don't like it? I'm too sexy for my clothes. Don't you ever notice all these O's and they blow. And a lollipop. Hey, you tell me, but you never stop. Never stop. You never stop. No, you never stop. I'm gonna get shot. I'm not doing a minute get shot. Not doing anything with this neck at all, girl. Lord, take it over, I get short. The neck just grows short and I'm next. Right on my shoulder bone. Hey, why? Your body hot, girl. Yes, your body hot. Beautiful body, girl. Yes, your body hot. Beautiful dress. Isn't it a beautiful dress, goodies? Beautiful dress. I love you too. I'm so beautiful, darling. Look at this rat, girl. You wish you got it, ain't you? No, it's for me. No, it's for me. Stop it now. I feel me on. I feel me on. Stop it now. I'm my own. Make a one teeth me sitting for. Oh, God bless me with it all natural. That's an all natural food. That was all the eggs when I see yesterday. That was what, 7 eggs yesterday morning, 7 eggs this morning, and that was 1 dozen slices of bread. And that was also 5 ripe bananas this morning, and 2 mango, and also 1 quart of ice cream. 1 quart of ice cream, or 1.5 quarts. I think 1 quart done, and almost another quart. And that's where it goes with the squats. So you almost have 2 quart ice cream, and some banana, mango, and fish, and fried sweet potato, and stuff. Today I bought a big red lobster, a big red what fish name again, man? The red one, red snapper, big red snapper. And slice up, so I steam. When I finish, gonna eat 2 big slices of the red snapper and some potato. Today I didn't make any kale, so I'm just gonna take 2 kale leaf and put the salad dressing on them and eat 1 apple because I wanna make space for my ice cream. Because I still have some left that's gonna go out in them 3 cones tonight. I love you while I'm building my body. Because I can afford to get fake hip and fake butt, so I eat natural food and working out to build the body. eggs in the bread. All eggs in the bread. That's all it is, honey. It's eggs in the bread. Because as you know, when you eat eggs, it really pumps it up when you do squats. It just really pumps it up. The eggs, they really, really got you up, man. Those eggs, yeah. So when you see I do those eggs, I don't do it because I want to, because I'm forceful in my body and I'm feeling it. So yes, don't worry, goodie. I'm always find new method to have a bigger surround. I always find good stuff. I always find the latest method and so on. Okay? I love you. And don't forget to build the body. So, build it and building the body now. If I continue till next week, it's going to be good. And after next week, it's going to be bigger. And after the other week, it's going to be bigger until it becomes humongous. So it depends on how big I want to shoot it out with the eggs. Hi. Good evening, everyone. How you feeling at this time? Well, if you think I'm a scarecrow, bitch, I don't know why you're on here. I think, guys, you know what? I would have to say, I don't blame you to call me a scarecrow. Because all the guys that come to you, they find you a scarecrow. That's why they don't want to sleep with you. Go ahead, you little spotty, little speckle girl, and sit down. I know who you are. You're not getting any man of action. Oh, no. Even a madman refuse you. Hello, get off my line and find peace in Jesus. I love you all. God bless you too. Watch me, girl, because you cannot wear my dress. Watch me, girl, because you cannot wear my dress. You're mad with me over my own goddamn dress. You're mad at me over my damn old wig. Oh, no, she did not get mad with me over my damn old wig. For what? I just take a shower. I'm nice and fresh and clean. Yes, ma'am. You like my style, you like my style. You like my style, you like my style. You like my style, you like my style. Baby got back, yes, baby got back. Wine and jiggle, make your waist it rock. Baby got back, me say baby got back. Wine and a jiggle, you for make your waist rock. Baby got back, baby got back. Baby got, baby got. Oh, do your big fat thing gotta back the thing up. Yeah, your big girlie gotta back the thing up. Yeah, your big girlie gotta back the thing up. Back the thing, I gotta. You a damn fine woman, you have to back the thing up. You have to back the thing. Yeah, that song was the stuff in the days, boy. You're getting jiggy with it, boy. You're getting jiggy with it all the time. Yo, I love you too. So love each other. Be happy. Be joyful. Thank God you have somewhere to sleep. Food to eat. Tommy's full. A lot of them is mad right now because they got to go get some guy. They got to go to outside. They got to be all around the street running from one nigga to the other, get $20, $15, buying them cigarettes, buying them smoke, buying them Chinese, dog fried rice, how it is, young dog leg. And they mad with me right now because, and especially Sugar Daddy, oh boy, he's having a field day, boy, with his friends. Because the devil can't get me to use me, boy. The devil is mad. So I know, Sugar Daddy, I know you on there with your friends. I know you on there with your friends, honey. I know you on there with your friends. But Sugar Daddy, I tell you, may the Lord have mercy upon you for fornication and adultery. I'm not in that with you, honey. I'm trying to go to heaven. I'm trying to walk in heaven street. I'm trying to get a house in heaven. And trust me, you ain't got to pay no money to get them damn house in heaven. Them houses free up there. I ain't got to pay no rent in heaven. I ain't got to pay no light bill, no water bill, no nothing. And guess what? I'm going to live forever. Damn. That's a good deal, my nigga. That's a good deal. Because right now, down here, you got to pay everything. And the devil's still riding your back, even when they're trying to get the money to pay it. So that's a good deal. At the end of the day, if you could spend some time down here, and then wherever you go, you got all this stuff for free. Riches, gold, diamonds, gold, sand, in the water, just free. All the fruits are just big and sweet. So, if I live my life and enjoy my life, if you sad, baby, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. Yes, because I'm happy. My belly full, me have food. Me not feel sorry for you, sorry for me. When I come on the road now, I'm going to go to I just take one up the cloth and type on my head. But I want all standards. I sit now and I gather and make them see me. As some of me, most of them when them see me. Alpan Queens ask them. Me no go there dress up, you know. Feel what? Me go there say, let God say, come as you are. Because me no show off. But some of them expect me go get up already and put on this whole pair of clothes and boot. I broke my neck and look for makeup and melted the whoop Indian wig them and melting with the glue on my head in the sun hot. You know, hi, you know, I saw them why you act. Not me. Them some dirty clothes on time here. Like a banana me I carry from my country. Put on my slippers and my t-shirt and my tights and sitting. And God, this part me I go and come back. And me feel comfortable. Because that means I don't want excitement because I know someone is a hypocrite. I want to see them on the street and come, take a picture, man, come on, this and that and all. And they don't like you. Some of them stop me when they don't have Queens and I say, I don't want to go to the picture, you know. But for me soon, I know so I mix up. For me soon, I know so boy, you know what? This picture they want, they never like you. They never share a video of you yet. But they want you to take picture with them. If you go call up your name and say you're ugly and you're this. Me not take no, me not say, listen, I can't do it right now, I learn from a mistake. Next time. Because me have to make a piece of old cloth for my head top and I'm gone. See, look, where's your dress? I can't have a picture look like this, I'm gone. So when the good they see me and I do it for them because I know my good, I know the difference. You know what I mean? Oh man, come I love everybody, but come on, I don't make people run me over with them all dirty self. If you go and run me over, me should be how them want me to be. Me abundant of clothes, closet full of clothes, no for them put clothes over here. Boots, all kind of sitting. I just saw Oliver say, me come and put on old clothes and come on live, see when I'm sitting there on my head or sitting see when I come see you. That's how I am. And I love to be that way. Right? Because God made me to be a natural person and that's what I am. When I put on me sitting there, if I don't feel like me, I put them on. That now going to make a difference. When I put them on, I'm going to put them on, I'm still the same Oliver. I'm still the same person. You understand me? So I would love to praise certain things to people like God too much, man. Like praise them. Like your Hollywood, the people that praise, I kill myself. You like to see them like this, you like how that look. Because you want to look more, you want to look. Just relax yourself, everybody. You're just a person to sitting down in your house. Looking just like, oh, me look when me look now, man. And you are watch me. And you are share my video. Right? Why should I be no different from you? Why you want me to be something else and act like me better than you? Why you want me to do that for? No. Me and you are the same. And that's how I'm going to be. Right? That's how I'm going to be. I'm sorry, that's how I'm going to be. I love everybody, but I run joke and I hate nobody. So they run joke with people and they take it personal because I'm head sick. I'm head sick, so I'm thinking, oh yeah, she's against me and you know. I run a joke with people sometimes, you know. I run a simple joke and make out the guys. Some people take it to social media before they gladly talk about them and take it as a boot, them take it as an argument. Because when I talk about even back, you know, a joke I make, I love back, I don't mean nothing. Unless I big up the man, I don't mean anything. But some people take it the wrong way. You know what I mean? I mean, that's how people is sometimes, just to make a problem. But I don't forget it because I love the music then. You know what I mean I say? Yeah. And that's all it is. So God bless you, big up yourself, I love you. My big ball, come in the way. Where are you go? Oh, where are you go? Where are you go? So, it's beautiful. Yeah, so you see the thing is like that. If you think somebody are a scarecrow or a masquerade or whatever you think, what are you doing here? Why are you wasting your time to come and look at a scarecrow? You're worse than a scarecrow. Because if you're going to come and watch a scarecrow, you're worse than them. You know, what are you doing here wasting your precious time? The scarecrow is going to make money. You know, don't worry about it. You're all so bad-minded and so, boy, I'm not telling you. I'm really nasty sometimes, man. Really bad mind. You know what I mean? Only a woman like yourself can bad mind. That's why I cuss not tell us on the old big and nasty because I'm too bad mind. Because that tells us you're old big and nasty and have much use of going life, so you eat me for no purpose. You understand me? If you want to be my friend and you share my video, send my friend request, of course I'm going to take it. But to it I go right now, I can't take anything because you can see people send people who can text it for me. If I know who I take friend request from. Nobody can get mad with me. They can't call friend request and then come in a whole per friend request in millions. They can't clear off. So you send me a friend request, you run weird on my name, you send me a friend request. Some people are saying, if a woman send a friend request, so you never get the friend request, you don't take the friend request, good, you never see it. Because I run good on me, I have other things to do in my life, I can't sit down and watch friend request. When they come, you just run down. But I love you now. I try to do the best I can. You understand? If me I sell something and me want me give a discount, me give them discount all the time, all of them, ask them all. And send them extra things to sometime. But me can't do it all the time. But me do it sometime. You understand me? Me do it sometime. You know? I don't care who want to hate me, because at the end of the day, I love myself and I love God. And I love people. And if me die tonight in my sleep, me I go out happy. Because I still believe in God. And that's all matter at the end of the day. Alright? So, God be with you. God bless you. Sorry for your loss. Sorry for your feel. I'm really sorry for your life going. Why you feel so bad about me and why you hate so much. And why you have so much hate in your heart. I'm really sorry for you. And when you have hate like that, you don't grow your children right. You need to grow your children right and pay attention to your children. And stop hating people, because the same hate you put out there, when your children bring it back, or when it comes to you, you're not going to like that. Alright? It doesn't bother me, because in the day you can't beat me. Come in here, me alive. Return a zombie and eat your life. That's number one. You can't beat me. Because if you beat me, you catch me at a road and try to beat me, I'm going to eat your life. How I mean eat you? I mean seriously eat you and swallow you. If not butter, maybe. I seriously eat you like food. Because me learn. Me not going to stand up and nobody destroy me. Me I eat you if me not know weapon nothing for me. Me I eat you because me have my mouth. And everybody knows me good for eating. And trust me, that will be something the whole world will never forget. So when a woman come or anybody decides to go fight me, decide to go eat piece of you. Decide you're going to be swallowed. Piece of you swallow. You're going to get patched, take piece out of your foot or something patch back. That's why you eat out and gone. Because I am not going to. These are the last days, honey. Where people are turning to vampire and all kind of sitting. Me now go sit down and make you come bring me down to ashes. To ashes. Nor dust. To dust. Simple fact why I love people. And if you're half of the page, don't get mad. Just simple me know elevate. You know, say I'm good with a fella and you're half of the page. I can't take no half, you know. When all 10,000 people gone. I know me do it. So if you find yourself in that position, just simple, let me know or call me. See the number for the cream. You know? Me will know because I have old videos. Me know people have followed me a long time. And some me good at not even handing no more. But let's say me know put anything on it. Don't get mad for that. Because I'm not the one who doing it. And when it happen like that to people, I don't take off and I don't want. In my account, me could find my account the last time. Sandra Williams, big up yourself. Me don't know if you're sick. Me don't know if you're dead. Me don't know what happened to you. Me don't hear from you. You used to call me sometime. I hear nothing from Sandra for a minute. Me call her a couple times and I don't get her. So I'm going to leave it as that. Because I don't like bother people. You know what I mean? So she alright. It's a lady that used to watch me named Sandra Williams from Florida. Very nice. Good. Funny. Funny when I talk with her. Very funny. But I can't find her anywhere and I call her a couple times with her. And I still not get her. And that was strange. Over and over, I call her around 3 times and I not get her. And I said that's strange and she don't call back. So I don't know that's because she would never be like that. So maybe she travel out the country. You know, because she's a hot girl, you know. Maybe she go and travel. Maybe she travel, man. Yeah, God bless you. I love you too, good. I love all of you. Yeah, me love myself. And you know why me love myself? You know why me love myself? Come in and have to dress up for people love me. You know? Me not naked, you know? Me just be how me have to be. And that's why I kill no. Someone don't even change no clothes. You can't change no drawers. On the bar night and pick up man. Eh? You get kicked out of the place. You can't pay on rent right now. You can't afford one room right now. Nothing enough. And I live in a room, a big, comfortable, an expensive area. I live with our food, me and food full of afraid food. I live with our money put on for rainy day sitting out and something can go for making her hungry. I don't have a lot, but at least me have food. Alright, I sit and buy food. Put it like that then. I'm not hungry. Put away. So when some girl call me and tell me I call me buy a cream and things and I depend on the money, I'm a friggin' hungry. When I wait too long, I'm not nobody come. Let's go to the market, go and buy food shopping. Buy my fish and my sit and come back in no good because you want me. I'm not hungry. So when I call away some time and the things that I'm hungry, I depend on the money. Let me do this tour, you know. Because I my business, go and buy my food and sit and go and cook and eat my food. You understand? have no time, baby. I have no time. Look, see 2 slices of the red snapper there. Can it big? You know, say big, say slice big. Red snapper. Red snapper. Steam. Come on, one left. Come and get what's the name, so. See how big a slice? I can't see it like this. I forgot to warm it up, but I'm not ready to eat it because once I go eat, my belly will get big and I'm going to eat it. See there, red snapper. Steam. None of fly got my food, eh? Red snapper. Yeah. And we all laugh at pepper. I saw it big and the big one I buy. $39, one big one. It had all, but actually cook good. Yeah, so I have something that I'm going to eat with that. That's all I cook, you see? Not too much. 2 slices alone and like a thing. So I cut down good, I cut down. You see it? How I do it now, right? Right. That's why my belly a shrink. Cutting down on the food. Cutting down on it. I don't have a gurgle or nothing. My natural belly, nothing. No gurgle, nothing. See that? Only underwear. Cutting down. See it? No gurgle or nothing. Yeah. And so on. So I love you. God bless you. And I come back on maybe later. Maybe. I see. Maybe. You good? No, me not have to fix up. Me not have to fix up. Me in a mess. Me great. Me love myself. And me not lie down with none of no. And I found a someone who careless nasty boy because we don't want people to come lay up with no. It born no. Because one who right and one who say me not pay no mine. And somehow no miss know before no send no body parts stiff up on no clothes. And I freshen myself and me tell them in them something there. Because a lot of people go scandal and tell lie pan. You hear me? Me love all of uno and me good all back uno and pan no good with them. We're good. And I pray to God and raising the children, right? On this earth, get to look food no can and stay away from out of trouble because the whole place is already in trouble. Them blind, them can't see. When the thunder start to lick this evening, how no feel? When the thunder was rolling so low like you want to bust through the sky, how no feel? I never feel afraid. I could have a smile by my face when I'm a sinner. Because I still believe in God. I'm not stop encourage people. I sinner. I'm going to keep encouraging you. Fear faith. And believe in the one God, one nation, one love, one destiny, and all the 18 dirty crutches, girl, them. No gonna can stop all of it. Because when God say I feel nobody can take it from you. Right? Be humble, pray to God, and love. Right. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. While you keep on eating, money that I'm searching for. Man, you worry about house and car. You all sell your soul now. You're black inside like a tar. The devil using you, talk about your damn superstar. But God is gonna keep on my mind. I ain't gonna go and wasting no time. When you all thinking because you're nothing but mine. And you rise up on the first in our line. Jesus Christ never forsake me yet. I walk around the street, man, I never fret. I do the things in life, lot that I regret. But still I pray to God, so my life is not in a mess. While I'm walking around, I could pick up my chest. I'm settled for the best, Jesus Christ, I'm left and for the rest. Satan take a set of the mind. They can't get a peace of mind. Man, they acting like a swine. Everything they talk about dirty and slime. But I'm telling you, man, commit no crime, Jesus Christ is mine. I'm rising to the top through the Holy Spirit. Now up your hand, I love powder can't come kill it, y'all. I'm a fake and I'm a hate a long time. But God is the only one that on my mind. He must be true and the peace divine. While embrace his faces. Yo, some of them sacrifice blood they tasting. Yo, they're moving so fast, yes, them hasting. Selling them soul, man, ashes to ashes, makes it dust to dust. Why them lie down because of vanity, but it's only God I trust. While they want to stop me, man, you mean you want to crush. Hallelujah, I pray to God and that's enough. Down on my knees, I pray to him. Ask him to show me the way. Take me out the dark, put me in the light. Show me the right, but not the wrong. Some of y'all never want to get right, that's what I don't understand. But God have every man, he has his plan. You never can stop me, yo. No matter how you try. You'll keep it trying till you drop down and die. Cause Jesus Christ was already crucified. So it no matter to me, can't make no change when not on me eye. Me know I wanna go far. But in no heart. Wanna sleep at night, you know only dream but that. Wanna walk around like a walking dead, like when Duppy a walk. But the scripture in my heart that always attack. While me serious, me have to go to heaven, if the heaven have to come first. God don't got earth, hustle and bustle, life well tough. But God in my heart, the true righteousness never rush. So the golden street, the purest gold. The secret that God gave to me. Me not sell me soul. Upon them I feel it. See the wicked in them heart don't reveal it. But the goodness in my heart they never can steal it. See the whole of them hate and no bad mind them I feel it. While me belly full them I worry. Them I sit down like them baby father them I look for Pan Murray. Them get up every day them I worry. But the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Yet do I walk to the valley shadow of death. Jah never left me yet. Jah never left me fret. Seeking the light and righteousness in my heart. When the Holy Spirit starts to talk, see the devil them I go with them far. Clean me throat and me heart. Spitting at the devil face. Come out of me way. Me you want to take and use and replace. But Jah knows I never see heaven gate, yo. No blood for me tongue, me not taste now. Them don't lean one side. Them can't see the right. Them blind in them eyes. Devil take out them sight. But I mean them want to try. Them don't know them will die. Spiritual sense why. Anytime I pray to God, I'm asking protection. Them I come with them eye like powder turn back on them. Like a beast I perplex them. I want to the idiot them. Then I see me a God bless. That's why them want them stress. But my life was in a mess. But now God put my life better, make the better best. So the devil have to step back and take a rest. That's why now me stand up and big up my chest. Who want to fight me, I feel a mistake. Because every time me come on this, I make them head ache. Tune is never in them heart, some of them really fake. That's why when me come, me style, them never can take. But God alone, I go make the heaven and earth shake. Remember when me tell us some of them I go burn, brimstone and fire. But the Holy Spirit of me take me higher. John want me not want me soul to last like this. John want look into the glass like this. Life is a heavy task, that's why life have to get better when you close your eyes. You might worry about liberty and life. You have to worry sometime when you close your eyes. Jah is the only one that give me life. Me no matter how the devil worship want criticize. Me no matter how the dark they want to despise. Hallelujah, glory to the only one that looking down with his eyes. And them a try them hard cool. Them don't sell out for diamond and gold. Shoulder to shoulder them a rub. The whole of them are wicked and bad mind. That's why them group up together on time. They want to bring you down, but hallelujah, them can't bring me down to the ground. And them a lava and a twist up them tongue. The money it a come like a phone. I want to them. God bless you, never done. Yo, left them with that in a car. Yo, so no, so love you here. Bless upon yourself. Yeah,